Moving to a new country is a major step, and one of the most important areas you must handle correctly from the very beginning is your banking setup. When you arrive in a new country, you will quickly realize that having access to a functional and reliable bank account is not just convenient, it is absolutely necessary for almost every part of your new life. Whether you are looking to receive a salary, pay your rent, send money home, or build your financial profile, you need a banking system that works for you in your new environment. As a newcomer, you may not be familiar with how the banking system operates in your new country. You may not know which bank to choose, what documents you need, how to avoid high fees, how to transfer money internationally, or how to protect yourself from fraud. This guide is going to walk you through all of that and more so that you can avoid the common banking mistakes that many new immigrants make and set yourself up for financial success. From day one, open a bank account as soon as possible. One of your first priorities should be opening a local bank account. This will allow you to receive money locally, make payments, and start building a financial history in your new country. Many employers, landlords, and service providers will ask for your bank account details or ask you to make payments using a local card, which is why you should not delay this step. To open a bank account, you will usually need identification such as your passport, your immigration or residence permit, a local address, and in some cases proof of employment or student status. Some banks offer newcomer packages or accounts that are specifically designed for immigrants and include low fees, financial guidance, and language support, so make sure to ask about these options. Compare banking options before choosing. Do not just walk into the first bank you see and open an account. Take time to compare different banks and account types because the services and fees can vary widely. Look for banks that have strong customer support, low or no monthly fees, access to online and mobile banking, and an ATM network that is close to your home or workplace. And banks also offer accounts that allow you to hold multiple currencies or easily transfer money between countries, which can be very useful if you plan to send money back home or receive funds from abroad. Make a list of the top 3 banks that meet your needs and schedule an appointment to discuss your options before making a decision. Understand the fee structure. Many immigrants are surprised by the types of fees they face in their new bank accounts. These can include monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal charges, transfer fees, currency exchange fees, overdraft charges, and even inactivity fees. It is very important to read the fine print or ask the bank staff to explain all the charges associated with your account. You want to choose an account that matches your usage habits. For example, if you plan to make many international transfers, look for a bank that offers low-cost or free global remittance services. If you prefer cash withdrawals, make sure your bank has plenty of ATMs nearby and does not charge extra for using them. Learn how international transfers work. Sending and receiving money across borders is something many immigrants do regularly. Whether you are supporting family members back home or receiving support from relatives, you need to understand how international money transfers work and which methods are the safest and cheapest. Banks often charge high fees for international wire transfers and may also give you poor exchange rates. Consider using digital money transfer services that are well known and offer better rates and faster delivery. Some banks also partner with money transfer services to give you discounts or integrated options directly in your banking app. Make sure you always confirm the full amount that the recipient will receive after all fees and conversions, so you are not sending money blindly and creating confusion. Build your credit history early. In many countries, especially in North America and parts of Europe, your credit history plays a very big role in your ability to get a loan, rent an apartment, or even qualify for certain jobs. That is why you need to begin building your credit from the first few months after arrival. Ask your bank if they offer secured credit cards or credit builder loans for newcomers. These tools allow you to start creating a track record of responsible financial behavior. As long as you make your payments on time and do not go into debt beyond your means, this will help you qualify for better financial products in the future. Protect yourself from fraud and identity theft. As a newcomer, you may be more vulnerable to scams because you are still learning how things work in your new environment. Always protect your banking information. Never share your PIN or account details with anyone, and watch out for suspicious emails, phone calls, or text messages pretending to be from your bank. Is strong passwords for your online banking and activate two-factor authentication if it is available. Also check your account regularly for any unusual activity and report it immediately to the bank. Do not accept checks or deposits from strangers, and never agree to receive money into your account on behalf of someone else, as this is often a scammers mobile and online banking tools digital. Banking tools are very helpful for immigrants because they allow you to manage your money without needing to go to a physical branch all the time. Most banks offer mobile apps that let you send money, pay bills, check your balance, download statements, and even speak to customer support. Make sure you download the official banking app only from trusted sources and take time to explore its features. This will save you a lot of time and help you avoid unnecessary trips or waiting in long lines. Some apps also offer budgeting tools and expense tracking, which are useful for managing your finances as you adjust to a new cost of living. Keep both a local and international option if possible. If your home country bank offers international access, or if you are using a digital bank that works across borders, it is sometimes smart to maintain that account alongside your new local account. This can help you move funds back and forth easily and maintain access to financial services in both locations. However, do not rely only on your home country bank while living abroad, because you will face limitations in payments, verifications, and access to services that require a local banking relationship. Balance both accounts in a way that supports your lifestyle and financial goals. Banking as a new immigrant can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right information and tools, you can quickly get your financial life in order and begin to build a strong and secure foundation in your new country. You have the power to avoid high fees, reduce stress, protect your money, and start building wealth the smart way. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.